Hi everyone, how are you doing? Do you want to become a complete MySQL DBA? If you want to stand out in the database field and land the best opportunities in the market, this is the right course for you. My name is Sandro. I'm a database specialist with over 25 years of experience working with major companies both in Brazil and abroad. I've already trained more than 15,000 students, and now I hope we can work together. In this comprehensive MySQL DBA training course, you will learn everything you need to become a professional ready to face the challenges of today's market, which is so demanding for database professionals. What will you learn in this course? You will learn to master the SQL language, from the most basic commands to the most advanced queries. You will learn how to create efficient, normalized, and optimized data models. You will learn how to identify and solve performance issues using best practices. You will also learn how to implement security within MySQL, both in terms of permissions, roles, access control, and configuring the firewall within MySQL, all right? And you will also learn how to set up audits to track what is happening inside the database. You will work with both the community and enterprise versions, and you will understand the main differences between these two versions. In this course, you will also learn how to perform backups and restores using both manual processes and automated scripts. All right? I will give you access to dozens of scripts that will make your life as a DBA easier. Very importantly, you will learn how to set up replication and also how to configure clustering. This is one of the most important things for a MySQL DBA, right? You will also learn how to work with MySQL in the cloud, one of the most in-demand skills today. All right, everyone. This is the most comprehensive MySQL DBA training course on the market. It's ideal for those who are just starting out, as well as for those who want to specialize and advance in this career, okay? Secure your spot now and come learn from someone who truly understands databases and works with them every day, all right? I also have an academic background, I have experience, and I've worked for many years as a teacher, including at the university level, right? I have a postgraduate degree in school education, an MBA in IT governance, and a master's degree in IT. All right? So let's do this together, everyone. Big hug.